Aural Trainer, Identifying Cadences for Grade 8 Aural. In Grade 7, you already learned how to identify perfect, imperfect and interrupted cadences. In Grade 8 ABRSM Aural, the addition of the plagal cadence will be tested. Also in Grade 8, you will need to identify the chords that make this cadence, but this will be covered in a separate video. So, to recap what you should already know, a perfect cadence sounds finished, like a full stop. An imperfect cadence sounds unfinished, like a question that needs an answer, or like the first half of a phrase with a comma. An interrupted cadence sounds like it was about to finish and then takes an unexpected twist and goes into the opposite tonality. That is to say, if the piece was in a major key, the last chord of an interrupted cadence would be minor, or vice versa. The plagal cadence, new to Grade 8 Aural, is similar to the perfect cadence in that it sounds finished, but the finish is not so strong. It is sometimes called the Amen cadence because it sounds like the ending of many phrases used in church music. The trick to identifying a plagal cadence is to be able to hear the tonic note in both the last two chords. So, when the examiner plays the key chord before the test, try to hold the key note in your head. For example, here is a key chord, hold the key note in your head as I play the cadence. Can you sing the tonic note along with both the last two chords, like this? Amen. Now you try. I will play two phrases which will be either perfect or plagal. Can you identify which is which? You will get a key chord before each. Here is the first. And here is the second. The first was a plagal cadence and the second was a perfect cadence. Now let's mix them up with the other cadences which you should know, imperfect and interrupted. I will play you 4 more phrases which could be either perfect, imperfect, plagal or interrupted. Phrase number 1. That was a perfect cadence. Phrase number 2. That was an imperfect cadence. Phrase number 3. That was an interrupted cadence. And finally, phrase number 4. That was a plagal cadence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with future uploads. Thank you for listening.